Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. I'm Mighty and today we're watching Solar Opposites, episode 7 of the second season. I have been enjoying this season so far. We only have 2 more episodes left, this being one of them. This one is called The Unlikely Demise of Terry's Favorite Shot Glass. Ooh. 1 year ago.
I'm doing this for the...
Oh, and he flooded everything. Oh, that was so sad. The mouse, I'll never forgive him for that mouse.
We don't know that he's dead.
Fake asshole. Oh my god, is this just the wall episode? Did the Duke find her? Aww. How is she alive? Maybe because she's smaller, it's not. You know how like ants could survive falling off because they're just so little? Or that rat.
Thank God I always keep a cherry blast gusher on me.
Oh, never mind.
Tiny leg is broken.
Ew. Aww. It's so dramatic. Oh my god, I think it's just gonna be a Sherry episode.
Safe in a tree.
That scared me. Chicken wing? It's a Duke! Oh my god. It was a possum. Also baby. Are people just watching it?
The hell?
Predator? Where's the one with the little eye?
Specifically, the Predator spaceship playset from the 2007 movie Alien vs. Predator Requiem. That's the Predalien, the alien/predator hybrid from Requiem, and not the original AVP. The Predalien was only in the sequel.
Don't you dare mansplain the Predalien to
That's
me.
so
It
funny.
appears in the
That movie traumatized me, Requiem. That shit was wild. I'm really mad that there's no sequel to that one.
Everybody was always like, you won't need the bag. Why would you ever need the bag? And well,
He sounds so familiar. I wonder who he is.
but don't you dare touch my pee. No one has ever touched it, and that sure as hell isn't changing tonight.
Aw, that's funny. It's Alfred! I knew he sounded so familiar. That man wants blood.
Because this is so great.
I told you I don't want to talk about it.
I can respect that. Oh, please tell me, please tell me, please.
Shut up!
And what a piece of shit. At least I always told you what the deal was.
I thought I knew him. I thought he was a good...
That is true.
To people. Not me. I mean, I handled it perfectly and was an excellent...
I still don't remember if he was a janitor.
Whoa. What are you...
Benihana is my favorite restaurant of all time.
It's so oily. Didn't you get tons of diarrhea?
Tons and tons of diarrhea. But that's
Just a little montage of a possum trying to kill you. Girl, it's been months.
Also the father of Devon Aoki.
I'm drawing a blank.
Supermodel/actress. She was in Too Fast, Too Furious.
Oh, she's so pretty.
No way. That's impossible.
I've been seeing signs for a while. I just assumed you didn't want to talk about it. Who's the father? Some Benihana hunk? What do? Shoot that shrimp right into your pocket?
Oh no, it's the fucking... What's his name? Yeah, this guy.
It's close quarters in here. I'm just supposed to not notice you're not having a period?
Yeah.
Come on, this is a miracle. The first baby to be born small. It's not mine, is it?
What? We've never even had sex.
Good. You promised to never touch my penis when I'm asleep.
But I just didn't want to lose the option of a relaxing midday soak to let my troubles melt away.
Turns out it was piss.
Yeah, so he's not the worst.
Keep pushing, Sherry. Keep pushing.
Oh, ew. It's been 9 months.
Why isn't it crying?
It's a lime gummy bear.
Oh.
Andy.
It was so real.
What was it this time?
Oh, he's getting skinny.
But where could we even go?
We have to go to the corner of happy and healthy.
The Walgreens? Are you crazy? It would take...
They spelled it wrong.
Okay, maybe we try for Walgreens, but what about Jeff? Getting past her will be impossible.
Does that bitch never sleep? Oh.
Aw, dang it, I broke my Babu Frick collectible shot glass.
Wait, I forgot that was the title of this.
I love you, but like in a fatherly way, not like in a horny way. Please, don't touch my dick when I'm dead.
I won't.
Pupa, do something. Oh. Yuck. I just feel like I would have cleared that whole backyard in a day. It's fucking winter. Oh.
Please tell me my water didn't just break. Fuck.
Jess is about to eat that straight up after birth. Oh, little baby.
No. No, no, no.
Oh, that sucks. Okay, so this is why it's been like a year. The baby. Oh no, the bird.
Fuck you, bird.
Oh my god, yo, people hates fucking birds. It's so funny.
Thank you, strange creature.
I like Lightning McQueen.
Aww. He did that just to get candy before. It was Sherry Day when she comes back. Oh, it was her.
You have to think about the future.
I know. I've seen the future. And it's one where Tim can't be in control.
Do you have a baby?
Her name is Pesley.
Pesley?
Yeah, she was born in a Pez dispenser.
Oh, that's so cute.
Powerful.
Nothing is impossible when we work together.
Possible. Aw, let's take Tim down. Like, all the way down because I hate him. Okay, that was a fun episode. I really just want them to escape so bad. Alright, let me know what you thought down below. I will see you next time. Bye.